In this tutorial, I will show you how you can easily change your name on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app. Then, go to the menu. Next, tap the gear icon to open up the settings. After that, we need to go to the Meta Account Center. Go to Profiles. Select your Facebook profile. Then, tap on Name. Here, you can change your first name, middle name, and last name. Once you have done all that, scroll down and tap on Review Changes. You will be prompted to enter your Facebook account password to save the changes. Just remember that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days.